I'm going to show you how to add a webhook module in Capture. So first, add your webhook. Let's call this test webhook. Select create. Now here you see your new module that's been added. And you can click on that, and then you'll get your webhook ID. You can take the full URL if you'd like. Then we're going to go to whatever repository, and whatever source control that you're using. In this case, it's GitHub. You can use GitLab, Bitbucket, pick your poison. So from here, we'll go to the settings to configure the webhook on this end. And I have this one kind of set up as a test, but we'll add this new module instead. Make sure your content type is JSON, or whichever just make sure that they're consistent. We're doing just push events on this one, and we'll update this webhook. If I click on that again, we'll see the connectivity to the URL. And if I go to, let's just trigger an update through the README. We'll just edit this, add a space just to trigger it. Trigger webhook. Commit those changes. And now we'll go to our dashboard and we'll see the new module that's been added and that trigger that just took place. That sent information to our webhook. There you have it.